Hello everyone, ever sent a message on Instagram and immediately regretted it? Or maybe you just want to clean up your chat history? Well, you're in luck because I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram DM messages from both sides. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device and navigate to your messages or DMs. Once you're in chat where you want to delete messages, locate the specific message you want to remove. Simply long press on the message and you'll see three buttons appear. Tap on Unsend button in the center and poof! The message will be deleted not only from your side but also from the recipient sides. Repeat this process for any other messages you want to delete. Long press, tap on send and voila! They're gone from both sides of the chat. Now, if you switch to the recipient's perspective or log in with another account, you'll see that the messages have indeed been removed. And there you have it. Deleting Instagram DM messages from both sides is quick and easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!